Hello guys, so I guess you have the same problem as I used to have. It's simply this terrible noise just coming out from your headphones. So if you have this problem, the solution for this is very easy. I'm not really sure if it's gonna work for everybody, but this is what I did and how I fixed it. If you go to here, click on a speaker, click on sounds, press playback, then speakers, open up, press levels, and just to prove the point, this is the noise, and if you just turn this down, it's gone forever. So this is how it's working for me. My headphones are plugged from behind at the moment. I was getting the same noise from the front, but you know, from the front the power of the sound is not as strong as from behind, so that's why I have it plugged from behind my computer. So anyway, this is the solution. It does work. It's great. Now it's all quiet. I don't need to listen to that stupid noise, and I don't go crazy anymore, I guess. So hopefully guys, this is gonna help you as it helped me. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.